how to allow or deny access permission to body sensors on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Now in the settings page, we scroll down and then tap on security and privacy. After we scroll down and then tap on permission manager, then tap on body sensors. In here, tap on the app that you want to change the permission. So for example, Samsung members. In here you can choose allow only while using the app or don't allow. So select the permission type that you want to grant or denied. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the back key or tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.